Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class we have coming to the Forney, Texas area, and this is going to be on July 27th, and this is going to be 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central. This is AI optimization for real estate, also smarter business with AI from leads to loyalty. I'm pretty much going to show you everything you need to understand on how to get ranked within the AI systems, and then in the second hour, we're going to go through all these amazing AI tools that are out there to help streamline your business, increase productivity, generate more leads, and so much more. Now, this is in person and via Zoom. This is going to be at a model home courtesy of Trophy Signature Homes. So everybody that joins us in person is going to be able to see this beautiful house. There's going to be some little food, a little bit of drinks to eat, and you're going to earn 2 hours of CE credit. You have that opportunity. So I look forward to seeing all the in-person people, and Zoomers, you are more than welcome to join us as well. So I will see you again July 27th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central. Thanks.